Rita Ora is almost as known for her party-loving ways as she is for her chart hits. Over the years, the Let You Love Me singer has been seen falling out of some of the most exclusive parties around the globe. 4. Rita Ora admits she can't drink like she used to. Credit, splash. 4. She attended the Vanity Fair party with film director boyfriend, Taika WaititiCredit, Getty. But Rita now admits she can no longer keep up with her former self when it comes to nights on the town. In particular, Rita, 31, says suffers from crippling 3-day hangovers. Rita said, "I have to say, in your 30s it takes a good 2 or 3 days now to get over a hangover." However, that doesn't mean she's ditched booze altogether. In fact, Rita blacked out after last month's Oscars, which she attended with boyfriend Taika Waititi. Speaking during a press tour for the new series of The Voice Australia, Rita said, "I had such a good night. I don't really remember that much from the Oscars, as I had the next day off, so I definitely let off steam. I had a good time." Rita is currently working hard on her long-awaited third album. The record will be her first since 2018's Phoenix, which spawned mega hits Anywhere and Ed Sheeran penned Your Song. "I have been recording in LA this whole time," she told Aussie Radio. "It's really nearly done and I think you guys are going to be very pleasantly surprised. I'm ready to perform some new songs." On the prospect of a tour, she added, "I can't wait for that to happen again, which is definitely going to happen once this third album comes out." In February, The Sun revealed how Rita had split with her record label Atlantic Music. Taking inspiration from Taylor Swift, Rita landed a deal with music giant BMG, allowing her to own all of her future masters. Confirming the bumper deal, the signer said, "I couldn't be happier that they will be my label family moving forward. Their approach to artist ownership and control is very much aligned with mine, and it's so empowering to know that I will own all my master recordings that I make from now on. I also feel so motivated to be working with such a dynamic, creative, forward-thinking global company." 4. Rita says she suffers from 3-day hangovers. Credit, Rita Ora/Instagram. 4. Rita says her third album is all but complete. Credit, Instagram.